All right, so we're gonna take a look at another figure I got from an auction. These are all three I got. This one is also, brand new and sealed. Look, it came in a bag, it came like this. I had this big box when I came home one day. I ordered this and this showed up a couple days later. It was really fast shipping. So I didn't necessarily order it, I wanted it. Hibid.com, tons of auctions on there. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Now this one here was limited to 2,000 pieces, so I kind of want to leave them in the box, but at the same time, what's the point of having a toy? I can't play with my toy. I'll put it up there. So here's the box. Okay, see them there? And this is not the same, not the gallery. But I believe it's going to have all those comic book pages behind them. Okay. This is a PX Previews exclusive D stage. Okay, so once in a while I will get these PX ones. But those are more like Q-Figs, things like that I've seen, that I got here in the house. And we've got some, what is it that we have? China is here, Mr. Burton. What's that movie, babe? Why come I can't think of the name of the movie? Big Trouble in Little China. Yeah, we got a bunch of that stuff. Oh, look inside of here. Let's see, maybe I can get a better look. Give me a second. Okay, if you look inside, it's kind of like the Funko Pops that come with a little background in there. So we'll look at that. It's a comic book. And this is Iron Man. This is the Iron Man I like. The original version from the older comics. And we're about to remove them and take a good look at this. All right. So I'm going to unbox this here so you don't have to. All right. But keep your boxes, guys, if you're collectors. I don't have to tell you that, though, but even if you don't collect, keep your boxes, because you never know. Well, boxes are almost, if not more valuable than the toy itself. All right, so here he is, just like we thought. We've got our Marvel Comics emblem here in the front. We've got the classic Iron Man figure. And there's a little comic strip behind him. There's Robert Downey Jr. Iron Man. So this is really cool. I have some big other gallery figures that I really like. But this one is actually really heavy. What's this say on the bottom here? Beast Kingdom. Okay, so Beast Kingdom is the one that did this. And it's already put together, so let's take a closer look here, okay? Okay, so it looks like he crashed into the ground like he just landed. See, there's still fire there. Okay. See, all around him, so he just touched down. Broke the ground, he's so heavy. Okay. Here's the comic in the back. Let's see if we can read it. Alrighty. So here he is. He's ready to fight. Now this one is kind of facing down a little bit, so he's going to go higher up in my collection so we can see him. So I have to tilt him back a little so we can get a good look at him. Look at that. It's really cool. See the detail work in the gloves. He just wants a decent pair of pants. Maybe that's why he's mad. That's why I always think all these bad guys and superheroes fight angry. They just want some pants. Looks really good. I enjoy the figure. I'm gonna have to find a spot for him here. So once they're done with this back room though, I don't know what my wife's gonna do. Well, she has 2 or 3 rooms of her own. All right, guys, so there's some figures I got in an auction, plus Big Boy. I'm gonna put this box back together. Oh, I picked up a couple other things today. Let me show you. I did get out, didn't I? All right, got a lot of stuff on my table. I stopped at the Goodwill. $2. Got these old glasses. Now, when I was a kid, McDonald's was selling these, I think, for like $1 or $2. And I had the collection when I was smaller. I have some of them already still. So I picked up some that I didn't have. I'm trying to complete the collection, but for $2, guys, come on. So once in a while, you can find good stuff at Goodwill. You know, the glasses, at least at the one I was at, were on top, you know, where the clothes are. They had like shoes and some toys like board games, but I always go straight to look for glasses because I have a huge collection of glasses here too. Let me go see if I can show you. Well, here's a few. There's some Tom and Jerry. Oh, I got Warren Moon back there. I've got Casper. I've got a lot of glasses from the 60s and 70s. Like, okay, there's a Snoopy Snow Machine. I've got cookie jars. But if you do want to get glasses, if you want to get collecting, Pepsi had a bunch of glasses. They even have all the superhero ones. I got a Wonder Woman Pepsi. Here we go. Let's see. Pepsi had the best ones, if you ask me. I got these Underdog. Anyway, I have a bunch of glasses. I've got a bunch of Smurfs. I just have a bunch. Oh my gosh, I have a lot down here. We'll go through these glasses one day here, but there are some cool ones. Ooh, I haven't seen this one. Look at this guy. Yeah, Pepsi. Pepsi made all the best ones. There's some Aunt Jemima cookie jar. Got all kinds of stuff, but that's just a little bit of what I have. That's my favorite figure. That's also a gallery diorama. Hobgoblin. So cool, man. This one is badass. We're gonna have to look at this one day. Look at that. Scary. I did pick up a couple Hot Wheels. These aren't the treasure hunts, but they're cool. Now this one was neat. Check it out. It's a keychain. I was needing a keychain. And it said special feature. I was like, what is the special feature? This little goes on your key. So I might use this because I've been looking for a keychain for my car. So I might just use this. Okay, so here's a better look. I'd take the price tags off. Always wash them. Hard part is, you know, I have to dust my collection off once in a while. I should get the shelves with the doors on them, the glass ones. Maybe I'll do that once we do this room again. So here he is. Somebody's got to do it. Poor guy. I do have some comics signed by Jim Davis. They're in here somewhere. And here's the other one. Now, the hard part is with glasses, even from auctions, sometimes they'll have price tags on them like these did. Now, these weren't hard to take off, except this one, when I took that price tag off, had another little orange tag. So just be careful when you're washing it off with a sponge, you know. Don't scratch it. The water will help get it off. And there we go. Typical Garfield. Great mug. This would be a small cup of coffee nowadays, but I don't drink coffee. So there we go. Here's pretty much what I got. Now this stuff here, I made him. That was a Temu Bigfoot. And I made the diorama. I have a video how I put that together. I was kind of worried I was not going to do it any good, but it came out pretty darn good. I like it. I'm going to talk about my favorite guy there. See? Tattooed on my arm. Love that one. We've got a bunch of Chainsaw Massacre stuff here. So cool. Alright, now this guy here, we're gonna use that big skull and him, and we'll figure something out, another diorama thing. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching and joining me. Sorry I didn't really go anywhere this weekend. I guess I could have done a video inside the Goodwill while I was finding some cool stuff. Maybe I'll do that next time. So I will see you in the next one. Iron Man bids you farewell. Watch out for her and don't make him angry. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. Make another channel and subscribe with that one too. I appreciate your time, guys. Have a good day. Bye.